Alright.
Oh.
When you come up with
No water.
I am going to people take it and that's down in
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. So it's Tuesday morning. It's around 10, a bit after 10. Me and Dad are on the road. We're going into town. I was gonna leave the house this morning, but we had something. I realized that I had to with him, so I was like, okay. We're going into town. We had a little bit of rain this morning, I guess. We had a little bit of rain this morning at the house, which I didn't even know because I never hear no rain falling the night before, and I had class late last night, but I didn't hear any rain, so I guess because it was really light I didn't hear it. It was raining, we're on the toll now, and as you can see, it's still kind of cloudy. It's still kind of cloudy, and there is some, you know, little light rain dew on the ground, but you can still tell that like the rain is in the air. It's very random because yesterday it was really hot, so I don't even know why there's rain today, but it is what it is. Anyways, this week obviously I'm going to be vlogging what I do throughout the week this week, so that's the vlog you guys are going to be getting this week. I'm just starting out. I was supposed to start yesterday, which is Monday, but I never remember for the week, so I'm going to start today. I do have a couple things to do this week. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, but we won't be home. We're going to country for a little bit, you know, just to check up on stuff because there's a lot of rain up there. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot of rain up there. So we're going up there to check on it and all of that type of stuff, clean up and whatnot be the case, and then come back home. Even though tomorrow's Valentine's Day, but that's what we're going up there to. And then Thursday is school, don't really have much to do for school. And then Friday I have something exciting I'm going to do, so I'll give you guys more info on that when the nearer to the day when it arrives. For something fun I'm going to. So yeah, that's really about it. So once we reach into town, you guys will see.
Yeah, find what you look for? What, them two thin?
And if she make fuss, she appear. DJ Ron, England up.
Is that right?
This a black?
Is that?
Oh, but I one lane. Double a piece made one.
So guys, update. It is now after 12:53. It's basically 1 o'clock. Dad is picking up some buttons from this place out here. Went to the supermarket. So let me tell you how I did. We came for the button thing, but the person wasn't there, so we had to go run some errands. We ran the errands. As you can see, we're in the fabric store and stuff like that, and then we went to the supermarket after. I didn't vlog in the supermarket because when I came out, rain was falling, and we never stay long in the supermarket because in there they kind of empty. So we picked up what we did in the supermarket, and now we are, you know, we're here. We come back for the buttons. One thing that is happening on the road today, rain. On and off, on and off, on and off, on and off rain. So sometimes it starts, sometimes it stops, sometimes it's heavy, sometimes it's light, but there's just the rain all over.
So good morning guys, today is Wednesday, February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. First of all, hope you guys have a good day. It's around it's 9:30. We're in St. Mary today, as I said from yesterday that we were going to stop by today to check on stuff, so that's what we're here to do. I think mom and dad are down below. I'm inside. It's really cold up here too, so I have like my sweater and stuff on, but it's been cold for the journey coming up. That's why mostly I had it on since I left the house. I didn't get to record anything else yesterday after I left on the road because I was on the road for a very long time, waiting for the buttons with dad. We eventually got them, yes, but it just took way longer than necessary. And then on top of that, after that, coming back home, I was just so tired. I fell asleep. After falling asleep, I had a group meeting at 8:30 that ran for a little bit, and then after that I went back to my bed. I didn't do nothing more. I was really tired yesterday, just from coming off of the road, because I think I came off the road after 2, almost 3, around that time. And also with the weather, the rain is very up and down. But as you can see, today is obviously brighter than yesterday. It's pretty dark in some areas, but not all areas. Will we get rain today? Hopefully not, because rain in St. Mary is a whole different thing from rain in town, so hopefully we don't. Yeah, so they're outside and so forth and such. I'm inside right now. I have a little book with me that I'm reading while I'm sitting in the couch and so forth, until if they need me or anything be the case. So I'm kind of just waiting in here. In here it's not too cold, but it is kind of cold. I don't know, I've been getting very cold recently. Like the slightest things, I get really cold. My nose gets cold. It's not flu, and it's not that I'm sick. I'm just extremely cold for some reason lately. Even in my room in the early mornings, I have to turn off my fan because it's really cold in there. But so be the case of it. So you guys will see what we do throughout the day for today. I don't know how long we're staying. I don't think we're staying for the full day. We are staying for a good amount of time. I think mom's gonna cook and whatnot be the case, but we'll see. I'll show you guys. And oh, they're outside talking. And also, as you can see, my hair, it's in a very atrocious state. Very atrocious state. It's been about 3 weeks now since I have done my hair, and it is in need of a major retwist, which is what I'm doing this evening. When I go home, I am going to do my retwist this evening because I have somewhere to go on Friday. We're surprising my best friend for her birthday this Friday. Her birthday is this Friday, so her family and myself and some others were surprising her for her birthday. So I have to fix up myself and look like a person because I don't look like somebody right now. So I'm gonna go home this evening, retwist my hair, and I have to find an outfit. So but you guys will see what we do for the rest of the day.
Last set of dumpling them now, Parry. Come on, and that fryer. Of course, when you have fried dumpling, the real dumpling fryer, you have to see which part one broke and it is. If you don't have that, you're not real dumpling fryer. We're not fried dumpling in that country. So give them a overall shot curve. Yeah. So my dumpling them. Yeah, put that one in my then sister dumpling in a fry. When we that country, my mother fried dumpling in the kitchen. Yo, one after the so a piece broke. Next clip. Alright, Paris, so I'm gonna find some burnt pepper and I sprinkle them in there. Now the black pepper, okay?
But you not take out the one? What if you eat one? You shouldn't.
You not eat none. It's green, then green. Maybe the short sleeve, that's it. Melon, you know. I don't be done with them now. They must go. Dish up them, dish up them daddy one. I'll make sure I get the knife pepper 5 minutes. I'll get the knife pepper today. You have to go run it. Now one from St. Mary, what I think we have to go run it from jam down. So it went to them break down and the salt, the onion them just, yeah man. Yeah man, we don't have no scallion still like we can get the scallion. Right, that you know, so we can turn it off now. Plug it out and make it scallion and eat. That's finished. How much JP? Okay.
So guys, update. I'm outside. I'm waiting on mom. She down there, so near Bowshoe house. So I'm wait for her. She's gonna do this video. Some busy something, but I gotta do it. So oh yeah, them are playing music. I forgot about that. Yeah, they're having something down there, so they're playing music. Hopefully it not really catching at this so much and I can turn it down in the background, so be the case. But yeah, they're keeping something out there, so I'm gonna play music now and whatnot. It's 1:12. So obviously we eat already, all done on that. I think Dada clean up the front up there, so I think what we're going to do next now, after mom down there, so with her video, we'll go, I think we're going to go back up to wash up everything that we use and whatnot, and then I don't know if we're leaving after that. I'm not sure as yet because we're not really doing much, so I guess we're gonna wash up and so forth, and then I guess we'll leave at like another maybe another couple hours after that we'll leave or so. But yeah, the day is pretty chill, as obviously a country, not much really happening. But yeah, so once we're leaving, then I will get back to you guys once we're leaving. So guys, well, we're all back home. It's 6:11. We've been home for a while. I'm not gonna sit down and lie, we've been home since about after 4. Have I been sitting in here for the longest while just resting out? Yes, I have. I said I was going to start my hair by 6-7. Nowhere near that time. Nowhere near that time. I don't know if I messed up mirror tonight, but me I started sometime. I have come to the conclusion that I'm just going to retwist it and done. I can't bother for go wash and all of them something, you know. Not that it needs it anyways, because I did wash it, because I'm literally going to take these out very soon after I do this retwist. Like, I'm going to take them out and I need a hairstyle. Like, we can't work with this no more. But I need a hairstyle. Anyways, I'm very tired. I don't even think you guys can see, but like, I'm tired. Like, I'm physically very tired. My face shows my tiredness. But I'm going to bathe. It's a nice long shower, and you know, liven up myself. I'm going to make some dinner, and if you think I may make nothing extra, I'm not. I'm literally going to just make my regular ramen concoction, because number 1, nobody has the time for cook nothing now. I'm tired. Number 2, nothing really there for cook like that. So we can't bother for go dig up and search and find. Ramen is easy, quick and simple. We're going to do it and it will serve me tonight. And then once I've made dinner, then I'm going to eat. Also, I have 2 shows to keep me company tonight, because it's Valentine's Day and you know, different shows coming out and places. So I have 2 shows to watch tonight. Love is Blind came back for their new season, so I will be watching that while I'm doing my hair, and there's another movie that I also will be watching while I'm doing my hair. So I got some company for the night. So I'm gonna bathe. After I bathe, I'm gonna make my dinner. After I make my dinner, I'm gonna come here and sit and eat and start my show, and then get into the hair. Honestly, back to bed, even though I thought like I was panicking. Not panicking, even though I said like I wanted to start at a specific time, this isn't really going to take me too long. Why? Number 1, the hair is already parted. The hair is literally, it's already parted. You see, on camera it doesn't look that bad. In real life it's actually worse than it is, and I have somewhere to go Friday, so I have to fix it myself properly. So it's not going to take me as long because the hair is already parted. So all I'm doing is just taking the hair, pulling it out, comb it out real quick, putting back the product, twist it in. So me not part nothing, but just do that, right? So I don't think it should take me too long, but I underestimate my hair 25,000 times out of the 100. So it is what it is. Anyways, mega be it now. Update, guys. It's now 8:19. I just had something to eat and I'm about to start on my hair. I'm not finishing tonight. I've kind of already accepted that I'm not finishing tonight. I can finish tomorrow. I have class at 7 in the morning. This week is just one of those weeks. It seems like I am not getting the time. Anyways, yes, I have class at 7 in the morning, so I'm gonna leave this. Obviously, I'm not gonna finish tonight, and I will leave it at a certain point, and then just come back to it tomorrow after my class is over. So yeah, basically this is what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna twist it and then go all the way down. So it's currently the length of my hair so far. Sometimes I'm really shocked at how far my hair grows, but mini twists really do help. And it's me just use it. Mini twists really do help my hair. Surprisingly, a lot more than I expected it to. But it really does help the growth of my hair, and you know, retaining the length of it and stuff like that. So if you want to retain the length of your hair, you know, and also not have to manipulate it and be in your hair so many times, then you can do mini twists. They're very much low maintenance. They don't take a lot. Just make sure to moisturize your hair and all of that good stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna do this here and check back in with you guys before I go to bed. Yes, I'll check back in with you guys before I go to bed. I'm going to watch I'm watching a movie now while I do the hair. So yeah, I'll check back in when I'm going to bed. So guys, I have finished with 3/4 of my hair. This side is all done and the back is all finished. I just have this side, this amount left back to do, and I'm gonna do that. Well, it's already the other day, so I'll do that later on today. I think it's like after 1 now, so I'll do it later on today. Obviously, I must start late as penny. So I never expected to finish tonight. Plus, I have school on morning, so I have to wake up. But I'm finishing up my show as I finish up the hair. Well, I finish up the show now because the hair done for tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna take some rest after that to wake up in the morning to get for class. The 7 a.m. classes are really beating me bad because I never even had 7 a.m. classes in high school, but I had to reach there at that time. But it's been ages now. But I'm gonna try and make it bother me. Maybe a 9 a.m. class or like an 8 a.m. class or something, but 7 o'clock is a lot. It's a lot, especially when you have like a long night before or you had like a long day before. To wake up, and I can't just wake up at 7, I have to wake up at like 6 or maybe 5:30, and then to like get myself together, mentally prepare myself. If I need to have notes, take out my notes, get pens, whatnot be the case, and get into the class. Obviously, I can rewatch the class and make my notes after. I do just have to be present, but I like, you know, in like asking questions or so. But 7 o'clock in the morning, your brain will really wake up properly yet. But it is what it is. Anyways, I'm going to go to bed now, and I'll see you guys later on in the vlog. Well, tomorrow is the other day, but I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so today is Friday. So today's Friday. I didn't vlog on Thursday because I just didn't have anything to vlog, plus I wasn't really in the mood. So I didn't vlog anything at all on Thursday because I didn't do anything much. All I did Thursday was that when I woke up back in the morning after class, I finished my hair. So yeah, I finished the hair. It's all, you know, parted back again, good and everything. I have some scrunchies in my hair and I was just trying to keep it so it doesn't shrink up and it keep its length as best as possible. This is how I keep it, you know, safe and protected. Today it's about after 1 now, pushing, it's 2 o'clock, it's 1:54, it's almost 2 o'clock. I am going to my best friend's surprise cake cutting this evening. It's supposed to be around like 6 o'clock, so I'm trying to be there before so the surprise thing can go as planned. Her sister told me about it from like last week, so you know, we're going today to do what is what. So that is the exciting thing that I have for today. So I already took out my clothes, they're right there. Wearing this really nice skirt and a simple top, nothing much. You know, slippers and whatnot. And due to the fact that I'm wearing slippers, I have to polish my toes. My nail polish is severely chipped. I look like I'm not at home for my toe them. So I am going to, you know, just take those off and put on a new nail polish. I was gonna soak my feet and do all of that, but I didn't get a chance. I woke up today, washed dishes, all of that stuff. Mom went on the road to go get some stuff. So she went on the road, came back, and you know, helped packing her out, help her in her pack out and all that stuff there. So I just finished a while ago. I'm taking like maybe a few minutes and then I'm going to do my toes. After doing my toes, I want to start getting ready by about 3:15 so that I can leave this house by 4:30 to reach there by 5:30, because it takes a little while for me to reach over. So I want to leave by 4:30 to reach there by 5:30. It's now 2 o'clock, so I have about another hour or hour 15 minutes to get myself start to get ready to go. So in that hour and a half, I'm going to do my toes. Very simple, just a nice little light pink color. And then once I'm starting to get ready, I will come back to you guys. Okay guys, I have showered, put on my clothes. I'll show you the full fit when I get up back. And I'm all ready. Well, I'm not all ready. Going to do my face now. I put her present in her little bag and it's on my bed. So I'm just trying to get myself together now. I'm really not doing anything much for the face because it's a pretty simple evening, so it's not really like anything much I have to do. Plus I really don't feel like putting on a lot of makeup right now, so okay. Just moisturize really good. Even though I do makeup 70% of the time when I go out, I don't really wear it like that much. It all depends on where I'm going. If it's like a really nice place where I have to like dress up and stuff like that, then for sure I will be putting on clothes. But if that's not the case, then I'm not doing it. That's why I try my best to keep my skin as clean as possible, because I personally just like wearing my bare skin most times because it's just so easy. Because after a long night, sometimes I don't want to, after a really long night, I have to come home and like wipe off makeup after I'm like so tired and everything. But if it's the case I have to wear it, of course I will wear it. But most times when it's things like these, I just go really casual. So I just make sure that my skin is all moisturized, as you can see, and all good. Okay, that's all finished. So the skincare is basically done. Right, I'm gonna do my hair now because I kind of don't know how I want the hair to be, but I kind of do, so I'm gonna do it now. I kind of want the hair out of my face tonight because, as I said, it's like a paint and sip thing. So I didn't put on any press-ons or anything. I just did some clear top coat on my nails. Hello. Alright, so I'm thinking doing my hair in one. That's like the idea. I don't want to let my hair out tonight. I really don't feel like doing that, so I'm gonna do my favorite style to do with this hair. So I just leave out like 3 at the front, 3 or 2 depending on how much I feel like doing, and then I catch the hair up like so, and I don't put it at like a high top knot. I just put it like in the middle, like around here, like that. Take my scrunchie and just do like a messy top knot. Push it up a little bit. Alright, good. And I have like these pieces here at the front, but because I'm kind of cock off, I'm gonna take some of my curling cream here and just put it on the ends of them. So it's fine, it's not really a big deal. I'm gonna do my edges and then come back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did my jewelry haul. So I did my jewelry. I have this gold, this really fine gold necklace on. It like comes down like this. I was going to wear one that's a bit more choked up, but I didn't like how it looked with it, so I changed it. So I put jewelry on 2 of my hands this evening. I'm really extra when it comes to like hand jewelry, super extra with it. So on this side I have this one. It's a little bit loose, but it was a gift, so it was gifted. So I can't really do much to that unless I get it like resized a little bit to fit a little smaller, but it's okay. I have no problem with I have no issue with where it lies. It's alright. And this side I just have like my regular stacks that I wear, my regular gold bracelets that I wear, my Pandora bracelet because I wear it basically everywhere. And then for earrings I just did these cute little pearl earrings kind of thing. Yeah, that's what I did. So I don't know what bag I'm carrying as yet. I'm pretending as if I know, but I actually don't know. So I'm going to put on fragrances. I'm gonna borrow one from my mom. So I'm gonna use this one. This is Victoria's Secret Bombshell. And I found this hack that they say if you want your perfume to like last longer, you can like, you know, put oil on your skin and then you spray on your perfume. I put my deodorant on after I put on my clothes because I don't want it to mess up. So and then I'm going to get a second fragrance from them. Okay, so let me show you guys what I'm wearing because I think I'm supposed to be leaving in another 2 minutes or so. So it's not coming off. Anyway, so this black top has like a little flare to it. I'm kind of sweating because it kind of has a little flare to it. I'm wearing this skirt, comes all the way down, and just some simple sandals, just some beaded sandals. And this is the bag I'm going to carry, mostly because it just matches like my gold jewelry that I have on and the hair tie in my head also. As I told you guys my jewelry already, and this is what my face looks like. Pretty simple, as I'm already sweating. But I'm going to leave now and I'm going to go up there. When I'm up there, I'm going to be doing lots of clips here and there for you guys to add to the vlog, so you guys will see like when I'm there, what the place looks like, and I'll get a few clips in between the nights if I can while we're doing what we're doing tonight. So I'm gonna head up now. Back home. It is it's 9:38 now. I'm back home from a little paint and sip / dinner. You know, it was good, had so much fun. My best friend was definitely surprised. She loved it. It was really good. You know, it was just friends, family, really chill vibe. Up there is really nice, you know, because it's unlike the golf course up there. It's so like the breeze coming in and the little night lights and little cute music. It was really a good time. The painting activity was fun. The food was good too, you know. Everything honestly was really fun. And we got to make some mingle after, and then we did a cake cutting, and everybody got their cake and everything. It was a really good time. So after we were done painting, we got to take home more paintings, you know, after, you know, we're finished. So we got to take home more paintings. So this is mine. Obviously it looks better from afar because if I bring it up close it looks better from afar. So we did we painted a guitar. I got no call, guys, and I was talking on the call for a bit. Just remember me that's about. But yeah, all in all, tonight was a really good night. I had lots of fun, you know, talking with everybody and support and such. It was all in all just a really good night. I am tired, not too tired because we're just like focusing on like painting. As I said, the vibes are really chill, you know. But I'm a little bit tired, yes, but not too tired. But I am going to find somewhere in my room to put up my painting because I obviously did it and I actually really do like it. I really like it. It's actually really cute. Would I do a paint and sip again? It depends. Honestly, maybe. This wasn't hard to do. It was just that I've never really painted like that before. Arts and crafts have never been my thing. It's never been my thing, but it's a fun thing to do and it's good to try things out of your comfort zone. Would I do a paint and sip again? Maybe. At the time while doing this in my head, I did make a couple mistakes. You know, if you come up close, you can see I did make a couple mistakes here and there. I didn't like how I signed my name. It was kind of big and bulky. I made a couple mistakes, but it's okay because it's kind of like a little abstract piece, which is perfectly fine to me.
But yeah, it was really fun. I'm glad I got to take home my painting. I love paintings, so I love seeing paintings and, like, you know, seeing them up on walls and everything, but me painting it is another story. But doing it tonight, it was actually really fun. I was a little bit, you know, nervous doing it, so I was a little shaky with some things. um, there are some things definitely though that I maybe would have done different, but I like it for my first attempt. I think it's really cute for my first attempt, and you know, I'm gonna put it up. So this painting, I think what they said, it was like inspired by like the whole, you know, if you Bob Marley One Love movie. If you guys didn't know, there's like a Bob Marley movie out. So like this painting is inspired, I guess, by that kind of vibe that's happening right now in Jamaica with it. So this painting is inspired by like the guitar and stuff. So yeah, that's what we did it based off of. I think that was the case, or maybe we just made that up, whichever one. But yeah, it was a really fun night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got cake and everything. The cake is in the fridge though. It's like a chocolate cake. I haven't tried it yet, but I hear it's really good. All the persons who tasted it, they said it was really good. I carried home mine because I was full. But I'm gonna have my cake now. I'm gonna unwind and, you know, take off everything and, you know, bathe and take off my makeup, skincare, and all of that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I didn't get too many clips while I was there, mostly because everybody's just like in tune with the painting. But you guys saw that obviously I got as much as I could. I didn't get to show the food because the fact that the table, the easels were on the table, and then like the canvases were on there, and like the table was just mostly for the paintings, honestly. So we had our food in our laps and we were eating, taking breaks and eating, taking breaks and eating. So I really didn't really get to show the food, but I was just like really immersed in the moment and enjoying the vibe and everything. Really fun night, really fun night. So I got to show you guys, you know, maybe one and few little clips, the pictures and stuff like that. But all in all, I had a lot of fun. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. A week in my life, if you call it a week, because I miss Thursday and I miss Monday, but that's okay. It's a lot week to me. Remember to comment down below, you know, would you guys like paint and sips? Have you ever done them before? Do you like them? Do you like art? All of that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.